terrified of this fucking driver with their fucking lights on going down. You're basically a cop right now! I hate tow truck drivers that do this. They're the worst people. You don't need to do this. This should be like illegal. You're an asshole for this. I don't care. I hate tow truck drivers. Like, look, his lights are causing cars to do this. You're a dickhead. Actual dickhead. Everyone has to drive ridiculously safe because of locals. Like, we don't struggle enough with the locals trying to kill us. Now it's people trying to get the locals to kill us.